Hi friends, this video shows how to fix internet and network problems. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then tap on more settings, then go down. So here you can see backup and reset. Tap on backup and reset, then tap on reset network settings. Tap on this. So here you can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So it will delete your hotspot and reset to default settings. It will also delete your APN and restore the and create a default new APN settings. So that way we can fix most of the internet and network related issues. It will restore the default network settings. So tap on reset settings, then we need to enter the screen lock password. Then tap on reset settings. Please wait. Network settings has been reset. Done. Let me go back. So this way we can reset network settings and fix network and internet related problems. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.